I was sent this in exchange for my review, so let's take a look. The packaging is nice, and there are lots of baggies of supplies that come inside the box. They're well organized and well labeled. This is the instruction book, and it goes over every single piece that comes with the kit. This is a very detailed piece. Right here you have all of the product colors, so these would be cut out and placed onto each item within the shop itself. Here's some of the floors. And then also here you have some of the foliage. So the leaves here that would be cut out and wrapped around the staircase leading up to the roof. Right here, I'm gonna cut out the back wall of the shop and show you what it looks like to apply it. You will need your own glue to apply all of the different decorations to the kit. And here I'm just using some simple glue and rubbing it with my finger. Now I'm gonna slip on the top, and I'll use an X-Acto knife later to cut out those little holes. I'm just gonna show you a quick demo of establishing the main walls of the house, and I'm following the instruction book step by step to get these pieces in the right place. Here's a look at all the accessory bags, and there are some really detailed items I wanted to point out. So all of these little bronze and brass pieces, they really make the piece shine. You have the outdoor kit that comes with the little rocks for the sand mixture in the garden. Then you have the flowers and the grass itself. And then here for the window seat, you have all these really detailed shutters. Just fun little Victorian style designs that bring this pet house to life. So in summary, this is a really detail-oriented piece. For someone who loves to build or spend their time creating and being organized, this would be a wonderful pastime.